Hello guys, we have this bunch of radicals on 5 and the right hand side is 125 raised to the power x and we want to find the value of x. If you want to try, then pause the video because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1, go. The left hand side of the given equation is 5 inside the square root times 5 inside the square root times 5 inside the square root, and the right hand side is 125 raised to the power x. Fine, let's take squares on both sides. Then we will have 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5, and the right hand side will be, on the right hand side we can use now this property that says a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So you are just multiplying the exponents in this case, okay? So we will have 125 raised to the power x times 2 is just 2x. Okay, now if you look at here, we have again square root here. So in order to get rid of this square root, we have to take square roots on both sides again. But first let me rewrite this equation, right? And let's take another square on both sides. Then the right hand side, by using this property, will be 125 raised to the power this guy times this guy. 2 2s are 4, so 4x. And on the left hand side, you cannot just cross out these two guys because you have a 5 here and there is a multiplication sign between them. So you have to take the square of 5, and once you take the square root of 5, then this guy and this guy will be cancelled and you will have 5 times square root of 5. Okay, and now you have 5 squared times 5 raised to the power 1, and we have this property that says a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, and that is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. If the bases are same, just add the exponents. 5 squared times 5 raised to the power 1 will be 2 plus 1 is 3, and then we have inside the square root 5, and on the right hand side we have 125 raised to the power 4x. We have last square root here, and we can cancel out by taking squares on both sides. Okay, and this square will be distributed on both of them, so you will have 5 raised to the power 3 square times square root of 5 raised to the power 2, and on the right hand side you will have 125, and again we have to multiply the exponent by using this property that we were using before. So 4 times 2 is 8x. Okay, now again by using the very same property, we will multiply the exponents. 5 raised to the power 3 times 2 is 6, and these two guys will cancel each other, so we will have 5 raised to the power 1, and on the right hand side we will have 125 raised to the power 8x. Okay, now by using this property, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n means just add the exponents. So we will have 5 raised to the power 6 plus 1 is 7, and on the right hand side we have 125 is 5 raised to the power 3, and we have raised to the power x. Therefore we will have 5 raised to the power 7 equal to, multiply these exponents and you will have 8 3s are 24x. Since the bases are same, so you can just cross out, and that means 7 is equal to 24x, but we want to find the value of x, therefore we will divide by 24 on both sides, and x will be equal to 7 divided by 24.